I want to take the workshop, but can I wait to do the full certification? Or I really want to do your workshop, but I just finished a level 1 and 2 and I feel like I want to sit with that. Can I wait? You can totally wait. I have historically led this once a year. I don't like promising that I will lead it again next fall because I just don't know. I've got an app launching, I have a book launching, I have a lot of specialty workshops that are on my heart to finally teach for the first time. So if you know you want to do the level 3 workshop, do it. Then, if I lead a certification again, you'll get first dibs. You'll get an email and you'll get to waive the cost of what you already paid. Um, Prices tend to go up each year because I had inclusions or I have assistants that I have to take account for. And I'm tapping away my self-worth, so that starts raising. So if you know you want it and it's just fear stopping you, do some inner work, journal about it, and decide. I would just do it now. But 50-50, I lead certification again next year. And then if I do, you would get the price deducted. So this is my vaguest FAQ because I cannot predict the future, sadly. Historically, I have led it one time per year. So if you do wait, maybe it would be in next January or next November. And you could join then. I cannot promise that the rate is the same or the inclusions are the same.